it's me again. And like I'm so happy. Last time that my first online live stream workshop went so well, and thank you for all who attended to that workshop. And so I have read the comments on the in our Facebook group. You complain about I know I shouldn't take I shouldn't use the word complain. Some of you said my camera was upside down. So that because I was using this one, this stand. So this is a camera stand. So I put it in front of me so that the phone kind of lay back from this angle. And today I'm gonna show you something I just ordered after I read the comments, because I want to improve your experience, and I want you to have the best. So I ordered some tool to help me. I'm just gonna unpack it and I'll show you what it is. Yes, so I ordered this, the brake lamp. With I hope it looks pretty good, and then I can put it on the table from maybe from different angle and see how I hope it works. And look, it's a big light, so you can see more clear what I'm painting on the paper. I'm going to set it up now. I'll show you the finished result in a minute. Here got a light, and this can hold the phone. I'm just gonna write hello. Welcome to my studio. A smiley face. How's that? Do you like it? Will you let me know if this video is upside down, or if you're happy with the angle? Okay, so thanks for watching, and thanks for help me test that. I'll see you in this Saturday. We're doing the Gutta outline. See you then. Bye.